Another day, another game of Piggy Bazaar. Let's get to it. Obsidian Uwashiwali Bird. This is a free win, guys. This is too easy. Just double all the stats real quick. Away and the ATM. Your property and 2 extra income. You can't beat that. This guy is some goon. Deadly puff. Catfish, that ain't beating nobody. Upgraded weight, that is so good. This is literally plus 20 damage times 2, plus 40 and plus 40 Q. That is crazy. Another goon, another easy dub. A yo-yo is good. I can use that shit. A cloaked fire fucking matchbox with the gold burn skill on day 3. You can't do that, bro. Okay. I first get hella gold by selling these small items. Then I got a strongest item. One of the strongest in my opinion. The fucking magician hat. This is gonna suit so good with the Uwashiwali Bird. I just need to figure out how to maximize this shit. Or maybe try to make it faster. That'll be all my job for now. But this is a very good start. Sylvia, what you got? This is just too easy of a win. And they golden yo-yo. Okay. Plus 35 heal. Just 70 free damage. That is crazy. Okay, a cargo short is a game changer here. After the rework, I can easily make it a tool and a property to maximize the multicast for my hat and my Uwashiwali bird. This is perfect. Alright, there's no way anybody can beat me right now. This is just too strong. Even though I don't have a property on my cargo pan yet, but I don't think it matters too much. This guy got a butter. I don't know if that's gonna be useful for you, sir. Yeah, just look at the scaling on everything. Nobody beating this shit. In the mid game, I think the Magician Cap is one of the strongest items. Yeah, just look at the stats, man. Easy upgrade. And the Snow Globe, that's a property and some control. Can't get anything better to that. Okay, this guy is kind of a joke as well. How are you gonna do your damage, bro? Just trying to win with the catfish scaling? Very funny, bro. Very creative. Alright, but I'm not gonna complain about another easy dub. Look at the stats, man. It's crazy. Easy upgrade on a snow globe. Okay, this is huge. If I get a property, I can turn my cargo shorts into a property, giving me my snow globe 3 multicast and 4 multicast on my Uwashiwali bird. Alright, I'm debating here. Extra healing sounds nice, but charge can never be bad, right? Especially when I have two. Okay, let's see what this guy is. He's alright. He doesn't have too much scaling. Just if it was a burn core, I'll be more concerned. But this thing, nah, you can't beat me, bro. The bird strikes again, man. Another easy win. Alright, this day I didn't really get any upgrade. And I messed up my positioning because I was trying to check out how good the phonograph is. It's not as good, honestly, compared to maximizing the multicast. But fortunately, this guy right here, another very creative dude, is trying to beat me with a fish as his only damage. Alright, keep trying, bro, but I will just take the dub from here. Thank you very much. Look at the bird going crazy, bro. Alright, finally level 10 enchantment. Hey, give me something good. A turbo would destroy the game. Thank you for giving me the most useless shit ever. A diamond snow globe? That's huge. Alright, what are you? Okay, two turbo enchantment and a heavy force field. How did you do this, my boy? How did you do this? All of my shit is perma slowed. Not perma slowed, but still very, very bad considering I don't have any kind of control other than this freeze. I don't got no turbo. That's why I really wanted a turbo enchantment, but shit, I don't think I'm catching up to that armor. Especially if he can crit. Well, yeah. Fortunately, this guy just got too many good enchantments. Free prestige, that's gonna help me. I'm debating between income and crit chance, but considering I have three properties, one of them is three multicast, I think going with the damage or the crit chance will be a little bit better here. And fuck the phonograph, by the way. That shit trash. With this build at least. Alright, this is literally my strongest form, except some good enchantments. Let's see how we do. Okay, I'm kind of getting PTSD from the previous fight with this turtle shell, but oh, he just only have a heavy one. That's not even the same level, man. Just get out of here. You're not the same level as the previous Vanessa. Thank you for the dub, and have a nice day. Monster. Okay, plus +0.5 freeze on a 3 multicast or 12% cooldown. I think 12% is just a little better. It's gonna take off almost like a whole second off that shit. Yeah, 0.8 second, that's huge. Alright, let's make a diamond real quick. Upgrade Uwashiwali Bird finally. Doesn't help much though. Okay, what the fuck is this guy? You got a Delhi Solar Farm, a armored core, and Fury enchantment on your rocket launcher, and whatever camera shit that is. You can't do this, bro. Three diamond skills? Come on, bro. You just cannot do this. 900 burn. In how long? 6 cast. How do you win that? Another dually. I'm kind of getting the PTSD. A Fury Fire Drill. A Power Drill. That looks very scary to be honest. But okay, this guy got a critical core. You're like 20 times weaker. Sorry about that. Look at that 4 cast Uwashiwali Bird. I think I beat most people unless it's one of those crazy monster dually that we saw in the previous fight. Against that, you just got no chance. I'm sorry. Okay. Extra freeze. Diamond cooldown, perfect. Another charge skill. I need that very much, especially with no turbo. It's not a lot, but it'll help. I'll take anything now, honestly. Okay, we still got 2 more chances. Okay, what is this? 2 matchbox, both enchanted. And a C total shell. How are you getting all these items, bro? And he got a gold marble, which is hella slow. I got one too, but I mean, look at the way he's operating. I'm pretty happy with my scaling, but he is just too fast with all those items. That's like 1300 burn. I can't do anything about it, unfortunately. But give me some good enchantment on this 5 multicast magician cap. And we still have a chance to make combat. Whether it's slow or turbo, please give me a good one. Give me a good one. Damn. A shiny picture, and that's a little too late. Okay. I did something insanely stupid here. Usually before my last fight, I like to sell everything, but I forgot. That one property in my stash is responsible for the property for the cargo shore. So I lost one multicast on the snow globe and the Uwashiwali bird. If I lose, I deserve it. And again, what the fuck is this guy? Okay, we got like 4 Fury enchantment, and this fire drill is just never stopping unless it freezes. Yeah, you just can't win these permanent casting stuff. Or do I if I got one more multicast on both of my carries? Because his stats ain't too impressive. I might have a chance. Well, it's a 9-win game. The saddest thing that could possibly happen in Bazaar. But this is my first video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please let me know in the comment section what do you like, what do you not like, how should I change my style, and do I win the last fight if I didn't do anything stupid? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a great day.